Hi guys, welcome back again today to my channel. My name is Priscilla Presley and I am back again today with another exciting video. Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Ghana white soap. And this Ghana white soap is equivalent to the black soap, but I know in the past a lot of people have been complaining to me that they love the black soap, but because of the stains, like it stains, the bathroom, and they did not like that about it. So I went ahead and I did some research and I came across another type of black soap, but this one is called white soap. So this is a white soap here. It works as if it works exactly as the black soap, but it's just that this one is a white soap and this is also a handmade. So it's called Ghana white soap. I bought this on a website. Maybe I'll link I'll put the website on my channel. So if you guys want to go ahead and look it up, it's very, very nice. It works really, really well also. So I'm going to be using this today to make my soap so you guys can see. So if you want to also make yours at home, you'll be able to make it. So but guys, before we get into this video, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also please turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a video. And please give my video a thumbs up. And guys, please watch my video to the end and make sure you comment, okay guys, because we put in a lot of work. We YouTubers put in a lot of work in making videos, and also some of us, we have to spend money to buy things. So this is a whole lot of work, but when you guys come to our channel, you just click in and click out. It's not right. It's not doing us any good. So please guys, make sure you watch this video to the end, and please do not skip the video. I appreciate you guys so much, and I hope you guys are staying well and also staying healthy. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you the items that I'm going to be using in making this soap. I'm using some fresh fruit. So I have my juice that I extracted from my fresh fruit here. I have my carrots here. I have my fresh turmeric here. I also have my fresh tomatoes. I also have some fresh carrot. I don't know if I already say carrot, but this is what I have here to extract from the juice that I made from my juicer. So this is what I'm going to be using in making this soap. And all these fruits here are very, very, very good for the skin. They will help in glowing your skin. And I also have some other ingredients here that I'm going to be adding on to this soap. So guys, I'm going to go ahead now and I will break the soap into pieces because I'm going to be also mixing it here. So I'll go ahead and show you guys how I'm going to be mixing this soap. And I also have some additives that I'm going to be adding here. This is some sandalwood powder. This is also good for the skin. And this is my herbal cleanser. It's also good for the skin. It's herbal. It's an herb, so it's very, very, very good for the skin. It will cleanse your skin if you have spots, if you have dark spots, if you have rashes, if you have pimples, you have anything, will help in cleansing your skin. And I also have some licorice powder here. Also, this is very, very good. It will also help in lightening your skin naturally and also glows your skin. So all what I'm using here is natural, guys. You don't have to be afraid of it. The only thing I'm concerned about is if you are allergic to any of this product. So that's why I always insist on you guys to make a patch test before you go ahead and use any product that you haven't used before on your skin. And I'm also going to go ahead and be squeezing in some oranges in my soap, because also this is very good. This is packed with vitamin C. It will help in brightening your skin, and it also have great anti-aging benefits in them. And I also already added my tomatoes also in my juice here. And tomatoes are packed with antioxidant and also help in lightening up your skin. These are very, very good for the skin, guys. So give it a shot. So I'm going to go now. I'm going to be taking you guys, and I'll be showing you how I'm going to be making this soap today for you guys. And I also have my bee pollen here. This is a bee pollen. I wanted to put some honey in it, but I can't find my honey right now. So I'm going to be using this, and this is also organic. This is also very, very good for the skin. You can also mix this and also mix them in your smoothie. You can also mix them in your tea. They're very, very beneficial, and this is all organic. And I also have my aloe vera oil here. I'm going to be using that. And I also have my tamarind paste here that I'm also going to be putting in this soap. And also this is very, very good for the skin. It will help in lighten up and brighten up your skin. This was also very, very beneficial to the skin. So all what I'm making this soap with is going to be very, very beneficial, and it's all natural, no harmful ingredients. So don't worry about it being hurting yourself. So stay tuned, and I'm going to be getting into the video now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks. Okay, so I have my juice that I already extracted here, and this is my container, and this is the white soap that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be like, I'm going to put everything into pieces here and make sure I pieces everything together, because I'm going to be mixing it together to make, we're going to turn it into liquid before we use it. So guys, if you have any question concerning this DIY, please do not hesitate to comment with your question on my comment section, or if you want to follow me up on Facebook, I'm going to link my Facebook also, and also my Instagram on my comment section. If you guys want to ask me any question, if you have a private question that you want to ask me on the comment section, please do so. Don't hesitate to ask me any question that you know, if there's something you don't understand about this video, you want to ask me, go ahead and do that, guys. So far so good. I'm going to be using that. I'm trying to reduce it. I don't want to make too much. And also I'm going to be preserving this soap, guys. So what I do is, if I make this soap now, what I'm going to do is, I always advise people, if you want your product to work, always also make sure you always, you know, scrub your skin. Make sure you scrub you after you shower, you scrub your skin. Don't scrub before you shower, scrub after you shower, because you want, you know, to make sure your skin is clean before you go ahead and start scrubbing. So this is the soap here. This is it here. I'm going to go ahead now and pieces everything into pieces first before I go ahead and mix it. I'm going to be mixing it into the juice. So I'm going to be actually using this juice to melt the soap. So I'll probably just pour everything in here instead. This is my juice here. This is carrot here. I have turmeric. I have my tomatoes. I have blueberries. I have some lemons in there also. So I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to be pouring the soap in here, guys. So like I said, guys, please make sure you watch this video to the end. Do not skip this video, because you know, the more we have people watching our videos, the more YouTube is going to be recommending our videos for us to watch. And you know, everybody putting efforts in making the video. Please, guys, do not criticize, support. And I'll support everybody. I've never skipped on anybody's video. I never watch someone's video half. The only things I don't watch live stream, because they're usually too long. If I go to your channel, I'll never watch your video halfway and leave. I always watch it in complete. I've never watched anybody's video half. Never. If the video comes up and I don't have time to watch it, what I do is I will just let it play and I'll turn down my volume, because sometimes I'm at work. So when I'm done from work later on, when I come home, I will sit down and I'll watch people's videos. Sometimes I'll stay up for hours just to watch people's videos and comment, because we're here to, you know, support each other. We're not here to fall each other down. Everybody is here doing something to try to impact their life. So please, guys, do support one another, and please love one another and stop criticizing. You know, please just see the good in anything that anybody is doing. Don't criticize people, because you don't know what somebody is going through. You know, you can't just come here 5 minutes and just see somebody and say, oh, this person is like this, is like this. You know, I don't like that. It's not nice. We're not being friendly to each other. That's not good. So guys, I have the soap in here now. I'm going to go ahead. I'll be also using my hand blender to mix everything together. But look at now, it's so foamy. It's too much. I don't want to make it form too much, so I'm going to just mix it. Make sure I mix it. This is it here. Look at how it looks. So beautiful. So let me just go ahead also and just mix my dry ingredients that I want to mix in first, then I'll go ahead and blend it together. So that's that. This is my sandalwood powder here. I'm going to be using like half a teaspoon of my sandalwood powder, because I don't want to over compromise my powders into my soap. So I'm using half a teaspoon of my sandalwood powder in here. These are also natural lightening ingredient, like I said. So I will be using that. Let me mix it together. I have a teaspoon of my cleanser herbs here, also in here. So I'm also going to be squeezing in some oranges in here because these are also very, very beneficial for the skin. So I'm going to be using a knife to cut out some of the orange and take out the juice. So I'll be using this into my soap. So like I said, this soap is going to glow your skin, and also it's going to naturally lighten your skin, guys. So no judgment. This is all based on a personal preference, because I know some people who come and judge you. They say, oh, why are you doing this to your skin? Why are you doing that to your skin? It is a personal preference, guys. If you don't want to do it, it's fine. I love taking care of my skin. I'm not trying to do it because I want attention. I'm doing it because I want to. I want to take care of my skin. I also sometimes have breakout, and sometimes I have hyperpigmentation and dark spots on my skin. So I want to have a glowing, beautiful looking skin, guys. It has nothing to do with anything. So it's just based on my preference. So if your preference is not to do it, it's all fine. No judgment. You could just, let it be. That's how it is. So I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to be adding some of my licorice powder too. I want to do quick because this camera is giving me problems. I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of my licorice powder in here. This is also a skin lightening. You can also drink some of this. It's very, very good. This is a licorice powder, also organic, and I'm going to be using some of my already blended some in here. I'm going to be using some of the tamarind paste that I have here. I blended some in here with the with some of the bee propellant, and also this is also very, very good for the skin. So I'll be adding some of that in here. This is all herbs, guys. This is all natural, mostly organic. So whatever I'm using here is all good for the skin. But also make sure you do a patch test in case you're reacting to any kind of food, a reaction, guys. You may have food allergies, you never know, but please do that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead now and I'll mix it, and then I'm going to be using a hand blender now to blend everything, to make sure everything mixed together. I know it's going to bubble, but because the soap is like, the lathering is also there, so I'm going to be using that. Also, I'm going to be adding some aloe vera oil in it. So guys, if you have any question concerning this DIY, let me know. This is my hand blender here. I'm going to be using it to blend, so you just pause it.